Well, today's hunt's gonna start over here at this children's playground. It's got wood chips in it. And I'll spend an hour here taking a look at it. And it's not a very big one, so shouldn't take very long. Sometimes these are fun. I think we got a penny here. What's the deal here in this wood? Yeah, I got a feeling it's that mat that I was running into yesterday. They've had when they put the mat down, I think they put like little nails in the ground. Yeah. Yep. Okay, this is a little more promising. Oh, maybe a quarter there. There it is. Oh, but darn, it's some kind of token. I'll clean it up at home and take a look at it. It's silver in color, but I'll check it out. It's a quarter, I think. Yeah, it is. Okay, this one might be something of interest. There it is. Just what it should have been, those numbers. It was 24, 25. And we got a nice shiny dime out of that. That's a 1966. Okay, here we go again. 2021 should be a penny, at least. There it is. All right. No doubt about that. Nice shiny one. Okay, that's going to do it this morning here. 45 minutes. Picked up a penny and a quarter and a dime. Nice and shiny in this wood. So anyways, that's about it. We'll see you on the next dig. This is a short one, but 36 cents.